Matte Venetian Plaster Demonstration.
Hey, it's your fairy wall mother, Toby Renee, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install matte Venetian plaster.
Step 1. Roll on base coat.
Pro tip, always make sure your base coat is the exact color of your matte Venetian plaster, and you can also do it in a flat or matte finish.
Step 2. Double load your trowel and apply both colors.
Now in this step, remember to double load your trowel and apply both colors at the same time in a very bladed, organic manner. Trowel on this layer for 100% coverage and make sure that each bladed drop is very smooth when applied.
Continue using a bladed technique too. Apply Venetian. Let dry overnight.
This looks really good. Perfect. Now remember, see everything is going the same way? You're going to have to switch it up. Meaning, yes, go the opposite way. You never want a pattern in your Venetian. Always go for more of an organic feel. You never want people to look at your Venetian and see swoop, swoop, swoop. You know what I'm saying? So if you lay down your blade somewhere different each time, now I see you still are kind of creating that
pattern.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to go a different way. You're gonna have to come this way. All your lines are diagonal down to the
It
left.
sure is.
So just come that way.
Go this way?
Yeah.
See, to me, they look like they all going this way.
Well, keep going. You've already done that way. You can't keep going that way. You gotta go
keep going this way, right?
No, you've already done to the right, to down to the left.
So this way.
Yeah. You've already done that one. You need to go a different way.
Step 3. Tint the Venetian to create the desired colors for the next layer. Step 4. Repeat step 2 with custom, tinted colors. Let dry overnight.